So welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited you guys are here back again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking tuned. Thank you for coming back, bitch, because it's always a ball when you're here, bitch. Alright, with that being said, for today's video, para el video de hoy, we're gonna be making caldo de pollo. We're gonna be making what the white people call chicken noodle soup, bitch. Now, we're obviously gonna make it the Mexican way. Obviamente, vamos a hacer caldo de pollo como lo hacen los mexicanos. Bueno, no sé cómo lo hacen los mexicanos, pero como lo hace mi mamá. I'm gonna be using my stepmom's recipe for making caldo de pollo today. This is the first time I'm actually making this, so fingers crossed, not really, bitch. We're gonna have a fucking ball today. It's gonna come out delicious, bitch, because you know what? I'm cooking this shit, so you know it's gonna be fucking good, bitch. But a little bit about caldo de pollo. Caldo de pollo usually is made around the time, bitch, we eat this shit when it's hot outside. But it's actually a little chilly outside. It's actually getting cold here in California, bitch. SoCal is getting a little freezing, getting a little chilly, bitch. So we're gonna be making caldo de pollo today because it's the perfect weather, bitch. It's a sweater weather, bitch. Okay, so ya prendí mi comal. I turned on my stove already. So I'm actually gonna add half of an onion into our water. This is 4 cloves of garlic. Now you can slice them if you like to. I slice them just because I don't really like biting into a whole glove of garlic. That shit is not cute, trust me. It's not fun. Oh, girl, fuck that. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a couple of drumsticks. Now ya le voy a echar unos cuantos pedazos de pierna de pollo. I also bought some chicken thighs I'm gonna add to it. Ooh, she looks cute. Alright, we're gonna add that. We're gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add I don't want to say a shit ton of salt because you know how I feel about my salt. But you are gonna add a good amount of salt to this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna use that much salt for now. Obviously, you can add later if you need to. We're gonna wait for this to boil and then we're gonna be right back. All right, so we're gonna open the pot. This shit is steaming, bitch. Look at this. All right. All right, now we're gonna throw in our hard vegetables. So our hard vegetables are gonna be what is our chayotes. Oh, yeah, chayotes, corn. Added some celery in this bitch also. This bitch just splashed back. Ooh. We're gonna add these babies in. Wow, I'm surprised it didn't overfill. Now, I don't know if you add corn. I'm gonna add corn to it. I don't know if you guys add corn, but I'm definitely gonna add corn. I don't remember if my stepmom added corn, but yeah, I'm hoping this thing doesn't overfill, girl. Oof. There we go. And then now we're gonna add our potatoes. Now my stepmom literally just slices these bad boys in half and she just throws them in like that. Oof. So it's definitely missing salt. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt to this bad boy. Now we're gonna give it a little extra push to get some of that flavor. So you know we're gonna fucking add Norris consomme, bitch. It is a given. Now you think this is a lot, but this is a whole ass pot, girl. Alright. Sister girl. She needs flavor. Oh my god. Alright, so I seasoned up the caldo de pollo with just Norris consomme and added more salt to it. So now that it's to my liking, we're gonna close this bad boy up. We're gonna leave just a little slit open for it to just breathe a little bit, and then we're just gonna let it do its thing and boil so that way the vegetables get nice and tender. And then we'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Taste test. Alright, so cool. There's a bright ass fucking line right in front of me, so I apologize. You're so stupid. Alright, so we're gonna try our caldo de pollo. Girl, I'm way too high for this shit. Okay, so I paired it up with some Mexican rice, but I'm not gonna show you that Mexican rice because that shit looks danky. So I apologize, but the caldo's good. Oh my god, the caldo's hella good. It's light. It's cute. It's not too. Carrot is nice and soft. Chayote time, baby. Let me see, let me see. Cool. Alright, now, I'm kind of scared a little bit about the papa, only because she is a thick slice of papa. She's a big girl, so I'm hoping that it cooked all the way through. Hell yeah, girl. Hell yeah. Now, let me see. Let's see if I have some celery for this bitch. Celery. Love that celery. Oh, you gotta take a bite of that corn, girl. You gotta do the corn right. But you gotta do the corn right. Someone pass me the tapatio.
Dude, your bowl doesn't even have chicken.
Someone, no, fuck you. I didn't put chicken this time. Tapatio, bitch. You know you damn well you gotta eat the fucking corn with the tapatio. It is a given, bitch.
Put that shit.
Yeah.
Everything, bitch. Fuck yes. Tortilla, bitch. Oh no, I'm okay right now. I'll put it right after. If you're gonna do it right, you're gonna do it the right way, bitch. Para that tortilla. You know what? Dunk it, bitch. Dunk it in that fucking caldo. Ugh. Now our prize gem, our chicken. She cooked all the way through, bitches. That's what I'm talking about. She's cute, she's nice, she's fluffy. Tender all the way. Through and through, baby. I have something stuck in my teeth.
Can you be pouring a spoon or a fork?
Oh my god, you guys been eating? You should have told me. I'm so sorry. Here. Ladies, we did fucking amazing. That shit was great. Oh my god, it was nice, it was light, it was cute. Everything was cooked right, everything was cooked through and through, so that's amazing. That's always a plus. As far as, fuck, I don't know, you can eat it like with tortillas the way that I do it. Definitely add a little salsa, add a little some tapatio with that bitch, a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon. Call it a night, bitch. But that being said, thank you guys once again for watching another video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. We're gonna put a video up here. We're gonna throw one up here, bitch. And you can subscribe down here, baby. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, baby.